Gujarat and Rajasthan are the states where kite flying festival is very popular and done on a larger scale, and where thousands of birds get injured. And this is where we have done the capacity building exercise, the workshop.
So we had a 3-day workshop held in Ahmedabad. The first day was basic orientation about what is bird treatment camp and what is the kite flying festival and everything about it.
But if you had multiple birds, you would open up the piece of plastic and then set it inside the basket, and now you have space for 4 birds with a plastic barrier in between the birds.
The second day was more of practical based, and it had more technical sessions about handling of birds and about necessary interventions.
Cardboard boxes, another way. Not that professional looking. Perfect for transporting. Perfect for holding.
Third day was focused more on making them speak, making them think about building strategies, making awareness campaigns, talking about them.
There have been so many instances in the world where change has happened. Great changes have happened, and it is people like you and me who have this burning desire inside them who make these changes happen.
Perhaps we can just modify bits and pieces of the tradition to include removing the manja from the string, having cotton string, and perhaps flying the kites during times of the day and in areas where there are less birds. There are fewer birds in the sky, in the trees, and we think that we can accomplish that through proper messaging here working with these local organizations.
Now we will have more emergency relief network members, particularly from these 2 states. And whenever an emergency happens, I'm sure our ER responder will be there as part of the relief team.
The damage caused to the birds, the injury caused to so many birds every year. If we could bring down these numbers, treatment definitely helps the bird, but I'm sure prevention is better than cure.